Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips for healthy living. Today we're diving into the world of grains, those little powerhouses of nutrition that can transform your diet. Whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just starting your journey, we're here to help you choose the healthiest grains at your local market or grocery store. Stick around till the end for some bonus tips on cooking these grains to maximize their nutrition. Let's start. Whole grains retain all parts of the grain kernel, the bran, germ, and endosperm. This makes them more nutritious than refined grains. Some key whole grains include brown rice, versatile and rich in manganese, selenium, and magnesium. Quinoa, a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. Oats, high in soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels. Barley, high fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels. Farro packed with protein, fiber, and antioxidants. When selecting grains, you'll often come across terms like organic and non-GMO. Here's what they mean. Organic grains, grown without synthetic pesticides, herbicides, or fertilizers. Organic farming promotes soil and water conservation. Look for the USDA organic seal. Non-GMO grains. These grains are not genetically modified. Check for the non-GMO project verified label to avoid genetically engineered products. Tips for choosing the healthiest grains. First up, read labels carefully. Ensure you're getting full nutritional benefits by looking for products labeled 100% whole grain. Key ingredients should include whole wheat, brown rice, or whole oats. Next, check for certification. Look for certifications like the USDA Organic Seal and the non-GMO Project Verified label to ensure products meet stringent standards. Moving on, buy in bulk. Save money and reduce packaging waste by shopping in the bulk section. Store grains in airtight containers to maintain freshness. Now consider ancient grains. Grains like amaranth, millet, and teff offer unique nutritional profiles and are great for variety in your diet. Also support local farmers. Shopping at farmers markets ensures fresher, often more sustainably grown products. Engage with farmers to learn about their growing practices. Finally, mind the processing. Less processed grains retain more nutrients. For example, steel-cut oats are less processed than instant oats and retain more fiber and protein. Cooking tips for maximum nutrition. To get the most out of your grains, preparation matters. Rinse and soak. Rinsing grains like quinoa removes saponins, which can cause bitterness. Soaking grains before cooking can reduce cooking time and improve digestibility. Use broth instead of water. Cooking grains in vegetable or bone broth adds extra nutrients and flavor. Combine with vegetables. This enhances your meal's flavor and nutritional content. Experiment with flavors, spices, and herbs can transform simple grains into delicious dishes. Try adding turmeric to rice or cinnamon to oatmeal for an added health boost. And there you have it. With these tips, you're well on making healthier grain choices that benefit both you and the environment. If you found this video helpful, could you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your favorite grain recipes? Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for more healthy living tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.